Hi, today we're going to talk about real estate business and understand how you can utilize real estate business expense tracker to keep track of the expenses related to running a real estate business. Before that, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a complete view of the screen. And this is the particular template that we're talking about, which is the real estate expenses tracker. In this particular template, you can see that we have got three different categories listed out on the top. And underneath every category, we have got a budgeted expense amount and the actual expenses incurred so far. So next to the category, we have a summary section as well, which we'll talk about later on. First of all, let us talk about the category section. So if you want to add a new category, click on this new page and new category will add it for your requirement. If you want to edit any particular category, click on this pencil icon and you can define your own category for your requirement. So let's say I'm typing out a new category and this category is updated as per this. If you want to delete any category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The particular category will be deleted as well. Let me reverse these changes so that we have the original category. And for every category, as you click on this budgeted expense value, you can define your own budgeted expense amount and the values will automatically update as per the entered figure. Underneath this, we have the table for the expenses where you can see the particular expense under each row. And for every expense, we have defined the amount as well. So if you change any of these amounts, it will also get updated on the top. So I'm just entering a few amounts to show you how it will get updated. So as you enter the expenses for every line item, all the expenses get updated on the top. And finally, in the summary section, we also have a quick summary view, which shows the total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, which is being pulled from here, the difference of if any shortfall is there or surplus is there, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So from the category, you can define the budgeted expense, and once you add the expenses over here at the bottom, you can see the entire summarized view at the top as well. This template is also customizable for your requirement. If you need any customization in this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.